goal is not in her. So, hi friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Saisran Malyala. First of all, before watching this video, I would like to ask each and everyone who is watching this video, please share this video with all your friends, which will be really helpful for them if they are going to write the JEE Mains exam. So, coming to this video, so from few days I'm receiving a lot of comments and personal messages regarding bro give some tips and suggestions for preparation for JEE Mains. So what I thought is, rather than me giving you suggestions and tips for JEE Mains, so I thought that if it's better if a student who attempted JEE Mains last time and successfully got seat in a some better NIT like NIT Warangal or NIT Trichy or Surathkal or Rourkela, so can give us suggestions and tips and can also share his experience during the preparation and during the exam. So what are all the mistakes he did, so which he don't want others to do. So I got this an idea, and so based on that idea, so in this video I am introducing one of my junior named Ramakrishna. So he managed to score 100 percentile in mathematics. So 100 percentile in mathematics is not a small thing. Okay, so he got around 99.9 percentile and he secured seat in NIT Warangal. So let's listen his journey in his own words. So let's get into the video.
Hello, I am Ramakrishna. I am from Latur, Maharashtra. I am pursuing my BTech in NIT Warangal in Computer Science Department. I studied till 10th in Latur only. Then I moved to Sri Chaitanya Pune for my 11th and few months of 12th, but later on I didn't like it. So I left it and came back to Latur, took a nominal admission and studied mostly through YouTube and online courses. As I said, I was not particularly into any coaching institute, so I used to decide what would be my schedule and which chapters I would finish till what is the deadline. And I had a separate room in which I used to study. I had a separate tab. It is not much costly, and I used to watch YouTube lectures and Unacademy and Vedantu. I got 99.90 percentile and 1166 rank in JEE Mains 2020. Also, I got 100 percentile with 100 out of 100 marks in maths. I am from general category. I had an interest in computers and coding, so I took computer science and engineering as my branch. The mistakes I did for my exam was I gave very much less time to chemistry in the exam. I mostly focused on maths and physics only because they were strong for me. I actually did not focus much on chemistry during my preparation also. Means my organic was good. In physical, there were few chapters in which I was weak, and but physical is mostly means formula based, and organic is conceptual. But I completely ignored inorganic chemistry. That is a regret I still feel, and I would have got better marks if I would also focus on inorganic chemistry. You can study inorganic chemistry from NCERT, but you can easily get short notes in the net because you can't read NCERT in such a less time. So read from short notes and practice questions. As we know, JEE Mains is going to be held 4 times in this year. So I would suggest you to focus mostly on the February attempt because many people will be focusing on their board exams and many people will be giving this exam as a mock test. But we will give this exam as a real JEE Mains exam, and this is the final attempt we have. So that we will gain benefit. And so in few days we are going to step into the revision program. So I would suggest you to give yourself a target that before this time I have to finish all the practice and then step into the revision program. And in revision program I would tell to print the syllabus of JEE Mains. It is of 10 pages or 9 pages, and then underline each and everything which you have revised. Means it is in the printout, it is specifically means in matrices and determinants there are specifically topics, subtopics, and you underline all the subtopics and topics which you have covered in the revision, so that you first you will get a confidence, second you will get a clarity and idea that how well is your preparation going on, and third you will not leave any topic because it is syllabus, everything is covered, so you cannot miss any topic, everything is in syllabus, so it will give you a complete idea, and you will give your best in the exam. From my childhood only, I had a very much deep interest in maths. I used to love solving maths problems. I gave many maths tests and means overall tests, and I solved many questions because you can't be sure that which question will come in exam. So practice all kinds of questions, and you cannot even miss even a single topic or subtopic if you are focusing on 100% time. This is the time to completely zone out yourself from the world. Focus on only and only one thing, that is your JEE Mains attempt, because it is not much time now, hardly 1.5 months or maybe 2 months if we are targeting February or even March, and in this time it is very less time, and tell your mind that you have to just focus for this much time, only 1.5 months, and then you will reap the benefits of qualifying JEE Mains with a nice score, and you will get into NIT Warangal maybe. So at last, all the best everyone giving this JEE Mains, and I would tell you to focus on February attempt, and don't panic, keep calm, give your best, and also thank you NIT Warangal and Sai Charan for giving me this opportunity to share this with everyone.
So I think after watching this video, there are many students who are feeling that so we don't have proper coaching, can we crack JEE? So no problem. I think after watching this video, you all come to know that. So even though you don't have proper coaching, there are many resources which you can utilize to crack JEE, like YouTube live sessions from so and so academies like An Academy, Vedantu, Byju's and all. So be calm, be cool, and be confident. So all the best for your preparation. So I will be coming up with new videos. Hope you all love this video. If you find this as a time worthy video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.